तो ये है Ubiquiti का AI पोर्ट जिससे आप नॉन AI कैमरास को AI बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि UniFi का पुराना G3 सीरीज का कैमरास और जो भी ONVIF कैमरास UniFi पे आप ऐड कर सकते हैं नॉन UniFi like a TP-Link Tapo, VG, any ONVIF supported cameras that you will add on the UniFi. With the help of AI port, you can get all AI detection features like face detection, vehicle detection, license plate and all those features. So इससे पहले मैंने इस पे 2 वीडियोस बना चुके हैं. If you guys have not checked that out, please go ahead and check that out. आज मैं ये AI पोर्ट TP-Link Tapo और EMO 360 डिग्री कैमरा पे सेटअप करके चेक करूंगा AI features, what all features you get with the AI port. So please make sure to check the whole video till the end. Let's get started. So this is a UniFi Protect dashboard. As you can see under the Protect devices, all my UniFi, non-UniFi cameras are listed, and this is the AI port I have adopted. And you can see I have set up the AI port, and I have managing 2 cameras, the third-party cameras, non-UniFi. As you can see, TP-Link Tapo C310, which is a SD camera, and one EMO 360 degree camera. As you can see, it names LCIPC cameras. Both are HD cameras, so you can manage it from here. So right now the camera capacity is I think I can add one more non-UniFi cameras. So for example, I can adopt and add, but as of now I have just only 2, and this one is showing for adoption, but I don't know the username and password. I will check that later. We will check for the TP-Link Tapo by looking at here. You will see it says AI and online, and when you take a look into the cameras, it says the notifications you will the trigger you can get for person, motion, vehicle, person of interest, animal and vehicle of interest. So these are all the AI features you will get with the help of AI port. And similarly you can check for these third-party cameras also from the EMO 360. All those AI features you will get. So you can check under the recording settings also. You can even make changes on the recording qualities, everything. So these are the video detection. It will support animal, face, license plate, person in vehicle. Even you can set a time motion zones also, smart zones. You can set all those features. So these cameras are the PTZ control. Even you can check that the PTZ options also. And on the TP-Link, similarly you can check for all the recording settings. It has all AI events. You can create AI events. You can use all those options, recording mode, zone and lines. You can set motion zones, smart zones. I can show you the playback for this AI port. So for example, you can from here you can set the person, face, confidence level, all those things you can set on the options. So you can just go ahead and you can check my video right now. It is showing up here. So you can see under the detection, you will see the confidence level 70% my face is showing. From here you can change the quality also. You can see it shows up in high quality. Similarly you can go ahead and take a look here. For example, let me show you the other events occur. So this is I'm sitting on the desk, and you can see this is my face has been detected, and this is the motion detected. So you can see it got triggered, and I can set an alarm also over the triggered for that. Similarly you can check for these third-party cameras also. It has all those features also. So for example, from here let me go ahead and change the face, person and confidence level. So I can just go ahead and play the file again. From here you can see my face and confidence level, so it tracked me. And similarly you can just go ahead check for this also. You can see the camera is tracking me because that camera support a 360 degree camera from. So similarly you can go ahead and check for all those things. So it supports that feature. For example, it shows up here like I came here and it detect my face also. So from here at the bottom you will see all the detections, like for the person, for the face you can filter that out. If the camera is outside, it will filter for the vehicles, license plate and known and unknown face. All those features it will show. So let me show you for the TP-Link Tapo also how many face it detected. So you can see this much face has been detected, and even you can go ahead and download this file. You can archive to your NAS or any folder. So that is a different topic, but let me show you. So from here under the general, you can just go ahead and on the playback. For example, for this file folder you want to download, you can just download that folder file even if you want to set. So right now you can check here the file has been downloaded, and you can check that folder from the TP link tab. Everything shows up here. With the help of UniFi Protect, now you can add a ONVIF supported cameras, and with the help of AI port you can get AI features. The count for this AI port, I think the third-party cameras, it support up to 3 third-party cameras. I think you can see the camera capacity from here. So the third-party cameras, 2K, SD and all those cameras. Similarly, you can check for the UniFi UI cameras. You can see the difference. So right now I'm already using capacity, so just one camera is needed. You can add those cameras, so it will get a features of the AI port also. So this is how you can manage all AI features using AI port on the third-party cameras. I have tested with the TP-Link Tapo and the EMO 360 degree. And let me show you one more thing. Under the alarm manager, you can trigger an alarm. For example, you can create an alarm, you can select an ID, unknown faces for the TP-Link or that camera you can add, you can notify it, or you can set a webhook URL, or you can just use it for an unlock. This is triggering for the access which is on the door. This all alarm you can create. Right now I'm not using any alarm. I will leave without saving, but you can see this all trigger it has. Here you can filter it out, everything, those features. So with the UniFi Protect new updates 6.1.7 and from before, they have continuously adding a new features. So with the help of AI port, you will get all AI detections on the UniFi cameras, the G3 cameras. As you can see, the G3 Instant and the G3 Flex, they don't support G3 Blood, they don't support any AI feature, but with the help of AI port I can get that. I think that's it for the today's video. I hope you will like this video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.